Good afternoon, Peter Leskis here with Test Products International. I'm here to discuss combustion analyzers, and specifically combustion analyzers with respect to checking carbon monoxide, ambient carbon monoxide. So that's walking around in the room checking for ambient CO. Our Model 709 and our Model 716 combustion analyzers have an accuracy specification of plus or minus 5 parts per million CO. And why that's important is when you look at the competitors, many of the competitors out there, they're selling units that have plus or minus 10 part per million. I've also seen plus or minus 20 part per million. So what that could mean is your analyzer, one of the competitions is reading 0 when in actuality it could actually be 10 part per million inside a living space, or it could be 20 part per million inside a living space, and that still would be well within specification of their units. Like I said, my unit, the CO accuracy specification is 5. So I'm going to show you how accurate this little puppy is. I've got a can of gas here with 10 part per million CO and a flow regulator. So I'm just going to hook this up to my analyzer, turn my analyzer on, and see what we get for a number. You can see the first thing off the bat here, the CO2 is moving, CO is moving up. We're at 4, already 5, it's 6, 7. Now this canister can be plus or minus 10% in terms of its accuracy. And my analyzer now is showing 6, 7, 8 now parts per million. 9, bordering on 9. So it's very quick to react. And it's very accurate when we're talking about these low levels of carbon monoxide. So if you're a contractor out there, you're checking homes for ambient CO, be aware of your specification on your analyzer. Be aware of what what kind of carbon monoxide is in the living space, and make sure that you are aware of exactly what you're dealing with when you're looking at carbon monoxide. If you have any questions about this or any of other devices at Test Products International, please feel free to give us a call, 1-800-368-5719. Or you can simply visit us online. You can do that at www.testproductsintl.com. Thanks so much.